Hey everybody, this is Brad from Adams with First Chicago Accounting. Hey, one of the things I want to go over today is if you got a law firm, how you want to split apart your profit and loss statement. Let's say you have three partners and you want to record the revenue that each partner collects and some of the additional expenses that one partner might have that the other partner doesn't have. So typically you see a typical P&L looks like this. You got your legal fees, you get your income, you got your month to date and your year to date, and then all your expenses. So everyone's pretty much seen a P&L like this. But let's say you got three partners, and obviously one partner brings in more money than the other partner, and one partner has an expense that the other partners don't incur. So you kind of want to break things out separate, so when it comes time to your tax return, you can allocate the expenses appropriately to each partner and have the K1 reflect the proper income for them for each partner. So what if you were able to do this? You do a profit and loss by class in QuickBooks, and each class has a partner. So you come over here, you can see what this partner collected in revenue, this partner collected, and this partner collected. And then if there's different wages or different expenses or consultants tied to each particular partner, you can now break it out. So at the end of the day, you could have a P&L by partner, and then over here you would have an admin class, which is going to be all the stuff that you would share, like your rent, maybe your licenses, your marketing expense, depreciation, stuff that you really don't want to allocate out. Maybe it's professional liability insurance, marketing expense again, some office equipment. But obviously, everyone has their own car, so that could be a different expense than the other people. Your gas and auto. This is a great way of allocating your expense by partner, and then the shared expenses kind of go over here in what's called the admin column, and everything adds up to a total. So then what you could do at the end of the year is, well, how are you going to allocate your admin expense? And typically what you would do then is hit it to Excel, and then you can decide on how you want to break apart the admin expenses. Different people do it different ways. Sometimes you do it based on the amount of revenue. Sometimes you just say, hey, we're all equal partners, so we shared expenses equally. So in this case, you would hit your admin for 33% to each partner. Then you come down and get a final notice or final expense on your or final P&L based on your income. So you kind of come over here and you say, okay, for simplicity, let's just do it 333, 33%. So you go Alright, so you come over here, you can see what happens. So this is going to be the income that's reflected on the K1 of the corporate tax return. So let's sum all this up over here. You see total income times out, and this is how you allocate it. And this is based on a simple 1/3 percentage. Sometimes you want to base it on the amount of income that's brought in. However heck you want to do it, it's fine. That's really up to the partnership to decide. But this is a great way of allocating income across the partnership and having each partner reflect what they've actually contributed to the partnership as far as the P&L goes. So it's also a great management tool. You can see what each partner is bringing in. You can allocate expenses across the partner on stuff like car, cell phone, stuff that's kind of semi-personal, maybe the donor's health insurance. This way you can break it apart separately. Great way to really get down to what so you pay taxes on the income that you actually generate. So hey, I hope this thing helps. If you want some help on it, feel free to reach out to me. It's Brad at First Chicago Accounting. Thanks a lot. Bye.